This is a 2013 Subaru Crosstrek, and we are replacing the outside mirror. First thing we have to do is to remove the inside door panel, and we're going to start by coming over here. And there's a little cover right here. And underneath there, you will see, if I can move this over here, a Phillips head screw. So we have to remove that now. Next thing we have to do is come over here to the door pull area. And there is a little cover right down here. And underneath there, you will see a Phillips head screw. And we have to remove that now. Alright, we got all the screws off so we can remove our door panel. Lift up on it. We don't have to remove the all the wires or anything, just enough right like that so we can get at our mirror. Underneath the door panel you'll see this weather barrier, and we gotta try to be delicate removing it because we have to put it back. Oh boy, yikes, that is sticky. Sealer there. Next thing we have to do is to remove this electrical connector from the mirror. And you can see that it goes underneath this wire right here. Now it's loose. Underneath these two holes you will find the three 10mm headed bolts that hold the mirror on. There's that one right there, and we have those two over here, and we have to remove those now. Now I recommend that you put something on the socket, a piece of tape, otherwise that bolt is going to fall down in the door. Something to hold these bolts to your socket. Now I don't have any tape right here, but I think I can get it without dropping it. Okay, I got it. Now there's nothing holding the mirror on, so it'll come right off. This gasket holds it a little bit, then we've got to feed the wire out. And there it is. The mirror is all out. So to replace the mirror, we have to feed our electrical connector back in. This little piece right here, rubber piece, has to go into that hole right there, and then there is another pin right there, you can see goes into that smaller one. Alright, now we got to put the bolts in. Grab our electrical connector, connect it. Now we can put the 3 bolts in. Okay. I get my hand in here and guide the bolts in. Alright. We started that one. And okay, got that one. For this one right here, what I did, I shine my light right down in this little gap right here, and you can, when you go in there, you can see where it goes into the mirror. Alright, tighten all these bolts up. We can put our weather barrier back now. Oh boy. Alright, let's put our door panel back in position. There it is. Door panel's all back snapped in, and we're going to put this screw in here. And we got this one right here. There. The inside door panel is all on. The screws are all back in place. And that's it. The job is all done. So that's all there is to replacing an outside mirror on your Subaru Crosstrek.